In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy SWPPX on Charles Schwab. So first you need to do is just open up your Charles Schwab app and then log in your account. Once you have logged in, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. From here, you have to click on this trade option at the bottom. And once you do that, this will open up the screen. So from here, you have to select the stocks slash ETF options, or you can also select mutual funds. So just select it, and then you have to select the account. You have to select the account which you want to use to buy your index fund or the swap px. So just select the account, and then you have to enter the symbol. In symbol simply type SWPPX, and once you do that, it will list many stocks. So it will look like this. So simply select it. Once you search it, simply you have to select this SWPPX option, and then it will display right here. Now from the actions, you have to click on this buy option, and then you have to enter how much stocks you want to buy. So minimum you have to enter $1, or you can enter any amount you want, but at least you have to enter $1. So enter the amount, and once you have entered the amount, you just have to click on this review order button. Then it will show you all the details regarding that stock that you are buying. So you just have to scroll down, and you will see this option place order. So just click on that, and your SWPX stock will be purchased in your Charles Schwab app. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.